Hello and welcome. What is an exclusive gateway and how to use it in Flowable? This is what we will discover in this video through a real-world business process. This workflow aims to deal with leaving requests. An employee sent a leaving request that have to be received by the human resources, and there they will process this request and they will affect to it a decision. It can be accepted or rejected, and according to this decision, the gateway will choose what form to open. So we have in the start event a leaving request form. In the user task, we have an approve request form. As you know, the user task must be assigned to a user or to a group. And also, a form have to be created or affected from the existing forms. In this case, we have already a form that have been created. As you can see here, the form contains the first three fields existing in the request that we have added to the start event. And here, those fields are read-only and have the same keys as the one we have used in the start event. And the objective here is to show what the user have filled in the start event to be able to decide whether to choose accept or reject. The options here are very important because those options will be used then in the gateway as condition. So we have to write them within the same way that they are appeared here. The key here is very important also because it will be used in the conditions. When we click on the exclusive gateway, we can configure the flow order. In this case, the process engine will read the condition within the task notify HR before the one relevant to the user task called notify employee. So let's now write the flow conditions. As you can see here, we have for the first flow, we have the decision, it must be equal to approve it. The decision here is the key relevant to the field or select options decision. And for the second flow, we have to choose the condition decision is equal to rejected. This is all what we have to add. Don't forget always to affect the assignment to each user task. If you don't affect the assignment, the form will not be received by you or any other user. The assignment is very important. Those formats just contain a text. The first one is the notify employees contain the employee is notified about the rejection, and the other form contains the HR is notified about the approvement. Let's save now the model and go to the apps to create the application. In this case, we have already created the application and we have added the model to it. So let's publish it. This will create a new version of this process. So go now to the home and choose leave request. Choose then the processes and click start a process. This is the form of the start event. We will fill it within the informations and then choose a start process. Now we have to choose approve request and choose the approval or the rejection of this form. So Finally, as we have accepted, the HR is notified about the improvement. This is the form relevant to the first flow of the gateway. If you have any question, feel free to ask it in the comment below, and we will try to answer them in our next videos. And thank you. Goodbye.